Hey all! I'm on my lunch hour and today I'm going to a place called Cheeburger Cheeburger. It's really cool because on the inside it's made up to look like a 50s styles restaurant and they have 50s style music playing and blah blah blah. So I'm going to try and vlog a little bit of it while I'm in there so I can show you what it looks like. So we're going to give it a try. It's a snowy day today here on the island, Long Island, New York. And I'll give you a view the other way. Let me see. Hold on one second. Let me do a view the other way. So here we go. And you can see Cheeburger Cheeburger over there. It's kind of hard to see. Right now it's like a slushy snow. But let's see what we can do. Get fried. Fried mac and cheese. Yummy. No, yummy. Oh, holy crapola! It's cold outside, but I just finished getting my lunch and I got my samplers and they were pretty good, not bad. I couldn't really video too much because it was actually kind of crowded in there, enough where people would see what I was doing and question what I was doing, so I couldn't do that. And yes, there is a part where you'll hear a fire alarm going off because it was going off. There's a new store that's opening up over here, a supermarket, and I guess like they're testing everything out. So yes, I had an annoying alarm going off and the lights flashing the whole time. And actually now there's a fire truck here, so I don't know what's going on with it. But so that's it. It's disgusting and gross out, and now I have to head back over to work. So I guess I'll check in again in a little bit. See if I can get a better view of the cheeseburger place. There you go. There's the cheeseburger spot. You can see some of the snow and some of the other stores that are around here. So I forgot to show you, I got another bubble tea. Oh, it's dark and you can't see. Hold on a second. Let me see if I open the door up. There we go. So I'll show you the bubble tea really quick before I head back into work. So this is a bubble tea. This is strawberry, and it's got, if you can see the tapioca balls on the bottom again. And it's really good. Different than the other kinds I've gotten. Alright, gotta get back. Well, I'm done with work, and now I'm running into Rite Aid. I'm gonna see, I need to pick up a couple of things, so let's see if I can get some vlogging done in there. Not sure. We'll see what it's like in there. It's kind of a smaller store, but we'll see what I can get. I'll talk to you guys in a bit. So we have this, and 50%. Oh, 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 good time. Okay, well, we're done shopping in Rite Aid, and I think that's about it for the evening because my battery's dying, and now, oh God, look at my hair, it's all over the place. I have to head home and go feed the bunnies and get ready for tomorrow. So I'm gonna say goodnight and see you tomorrow.